Welcome to the Ovani Frequency Link plugin for Unity tutorial. To install the plugin, just double-click on the Unity package while the editor is open, or drag and drop it into your project. You'll get this menu, Import Unity Package, just press Import. Alright, and now it's installed. It's a folder in your project. You can move it to wherever you'd like, and all the references should stay intact. This plugin adds a custom scriptable object type, aka a new resource to your project, a new file type really. You can create it with right-click, create, and at the top there should be frequency link. Let's have this, I'm going to name this piano. A single frequency link analyzes a small portion of the whole audio spectrum, and then reports it to anything that connects to it. So to get started with this one, we're going to need some music playing, so I'll import some music right now. Here I've got Claire de la Lune, and it's in an audio source, and it's in our scene. I can press Add Component and search for Tag, Linker Tag. The linker tag connects audio sources to an frequency link. Now we can play and stop our audio source via the linker tag with the play and stop buttons. I'm going to pop this out as its own window by pressing right click and properties and select our frequency link again. It's connected, I'll press play. And you can see here that we can select a portion of the frequency to look at. We can use scaler to look more closely at our values, or scale them. I like this specific piano note, so I'm going to hone in on it. And then we can specify the volume to capture. We've also got downwards and upward smoothing. This will change how fast the strength will rise, how fast the strength will fall when we access it in code. But we've now got one frequency link that's set up to listen to that one piano note. If I wanted to get the strength from a frequency link in code, I would just access the frequency link and do .getStrength. But a faster way to use a frequency link would be to use the frequency to data type components. If we add a component to this cube that I've summoned and search for frequency, we've got all these options: frequency to float, int, quaternion, vector 3, vector 2, vector 4, and we can control parameters across our game using these individual components. So let's say I wanted to control the size of this cube. We know that this is a vector 3 because it's got 3 floats. So we'll add in frequency to vector 3. And with this new component, we connect it to a frequency link, so I'll use piano. We've got a and B value. A is when our frequency link is at 0% strength, B is for when it's at 100% strength. I'll make A normal scale, so 1, 1, 1, and B 1, 10, 1. So it's going to scale upwards depending on the volume or strength of this frequency link. Now we need to connect up a target. I'll add in a new target, and it's currently nothing. I'll go up and grab our transform, then I'll go back down, plug it in, and now I gotta select the property. I know my property is scale, so I'll click on the drop down here, go to transform, and click on local scale. We can start previewing our frequency to vector 3 script by changing this value right here from runtime only to editor and runtime. Now that we've got everything hooked up, we can play our audio via the linker tag component and see that the target parameter is moving between A and B based off of our measure strength. Additionally, of course, there's that smoothing I was talking about, our upward and downward smoothing, making it smoothly go up and down. Clear, I know. But that is about everything that's in the plugin. Hopefully you can link this up to some more interesting values and make some cool interactions in your game. Good luck!